Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain you what is inside the computer. Before we start, I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Tefa Fadila. My name is 19 23 15 62. My class in 19 2B07. Today we're going on an adventure to see what's inside your computer. We'll break down the main parts and explain what they do in a way that's easy to understand. First, motherboard. Think of the motherboard as an hardware system inside your computer. It's a big circuit board that allows all the other parts to connect and send information back and forth. This way, everything works together smoothly. And the second is Central Processing Unit atau CPU. The CPU is like the boss in charge. It gets instruction from programs you use and figures out how to do them. It's really fast at calculation, making sure everything runs smoothly. And the third is Random Access Memory or RAM. Imagine RAM as your computer's scratch pad. It holds information the CPU needs to work on at that moment, like when you're playing a game or browsing the web. But unlike our brains, RAM forget everything when you turn off the computer. And the fourth is hard drive and SSD. The hard drive or SSD is like your computer filing cabinet. It stores all your important things like picture, document, and games for the long term. Even when you turn off the computer, there are two types: hard drive, which are slower but hold a lot of stuff, and SSD, which are faster but hold less. Then the second topic is software and operating system. We're exploring the two things that make your computer works. Well, keep it smile and explain them in a way that's easy to understand. Software is like an invisible helper for your computer. It's a collection of instructions the that tell the computer what to do. Kind of the kind of like following a recipe. There are two main types: system software, which works behind the scenes to keep things running, and apps software, which lets you do all the fun stuff. Operating system or OS. The operating system is the boss in charge of your computer. It controls all the hardware parts and makes sure they work together smoothly. It's also like the stage where you interact with your computer, with icons and menus that you click on. Some familiar some fam- some familiar operating systems are Windows, macOS on Apple computer, Android on smartphone, and iOS on iPhones and iPads. And the third is application software. Apps short for application software. There are they are the tools you use every day on your computer. You use them to write documents, browse the web, edit photos, play games, and so much more. Apps need the operating system to work properly, just like you need a table to use your tools. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.